Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a healthy chard lentil soup, and here are the ingredients. I have here fresh chard leaves, 2 cups of lentil seeds, 2 large potatoes, 7 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half teaspoon of garlic powder. Now let's get started. In boiling water, let's boil our lentils. Cover and let it boil until it becomes soft. Cut our potato. Cut into medium-sized cubes. Set aside. Now cut our chard leaves. Also set aside. Smash our garlic. Now all our prepared ingredients are done. Let's check our lentils. Now let's check our lentils. Now it's soft. Now let's add our smashed garlic. Add the garlic and salt. And add our potatoes. Stir. Cover and let it boil for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's add our chard leaves. Cover. Now let's squeeze lemon, 1.5 lemon. Let's add the squeezed lemon. And add the cumin powder. Cover and leave it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, our tasty, healthy chard lentil soup is ready to serve. It's ready to serve.